interviewing with BIC Alliance, and we're interviewing Helder
Wyant?
with BIC Alliance. And he's going to give us a demonstration of his product today.
Yeah, actually we are bringing a new product from German technology here. It's 100% organic hydrophobic material. It's absorbed 5 to 10 times the weight or volume of any kind of hydrocarbonate. Not only oil, not only crude, but any product has hydrocarbonate. It's absorb it, maintain it. It's as a hydrophobic material. It's not contain any water. So if you take a look in the regular material that you have here, the material used right now the market mineral material.
And what is this specifically?
This one, it's like the material that you already have in industry right now. It's a mineral material. They used to call it clay. You know, that's the material that you have right now. Okay. This material, if you compare with this one here, the difference is a mineral one, and this it's put the surface with oil. This one here, this absorbs the oil. That's a huge difference between them. Okay, besides the size, besides the weight, the volume, but that's a huge difference. What makes the difference between the application? Okay. So if I put one drop of oil here, okay, and another drop of oil here, we can see how the difference between the time to start to absorbing here the oil. Here the oil is go through the material, and here the oil is being absorbing. So if I put a small drop, put your finger here please. See, feel it. Now let me put the oil here. Put your finger here. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that, please. If you take a look, in the material, when you start to put the material here, see immediately it starts to absorb. Okay? So that's the way that it reacted. So once you put the material on top of the oil, it's go completely through. So if I take here the material, see, here is the material here. We have oil here, see, and here is this material here. So if I put here, the oil will go away. See, if I put this material here, the oil is not go away. See? And here, if I put this material here, start to work here, take a look. The oil is completely gone. So if you put your finger here again and feel if the same or not. Put your finger here, please. It's almost the same, right? Because absorb the oil. It's not just contain the oil, but absorb it.
So you use this for like oil spill?
It could be used for oil spill, for cleaning, for tank cleaning, maintenance, for water treatment. Let's say if you clean the tank and the bottle stay with your water, oil, chemicals there, you throw it and you can skim it, avoiding to put water contaminated in the process water. Okay, take a look here. If I put here a little bit of water here in the oil here, okay. If I show you how it works, put a little bit material here. See, it starts to put the dots together.
It doesn't sink.
See? No, the oil doesn't sink. They keep floating because the density, you know. So, but see, and this material is it's a hydrophobic material. It's not sink. It keeps floated. So now, if I put a little bit more here over, covering the oil. So, and take a look on that. So I cover here, okay, with oil. So So now I can take a look here. See, the oil is already absorbed by the product. See, and then if I skim it,
that is awesome.
no oil there.
I have kids. Does this help kids clean up?
Yeah, it's pretty much. So, and for sure they make a mess like me here right now. If I remove this here, put here, sorry, I messed up a little bit here. So if I put here, take a look what's happened here. This material is dry because it doesn't absorb oil. If I squeeze it, so just a small, drop of water come up because there is no any water absorbed. So, and finally, there is a huge problem when you have a cleaning like that.
Yeah.
This material here to be disposed of, there is some chemicals and some legislation that you need to go through.
Yeah.
This material is 100% natural, so we can, environmentally, you can put it to burn and create energy without any problem. So this one as a mineral, if you burn it, you can create another problem. For example, it's based on, if you have a mineral like that based on silicon, you create like a glass. Here not. It's just a fuel.
How long has this product been on the market?
Actually, we have the agreement done since last week.
Really?
It's the first show that we brought this material, and the next week we are from today, let's say, we are officially launched this material in the market. And one more thing is very important. If you take a look here, it's type 123R.
Yeah.
It means it could be is approval to be used in water, in land, and industrial application, including roads. So, here in Houston, people love to crash cars, right?
Yeah.
It's like a sport contact, right?
Yeah.
So, contact sport. So, and when have a spills, have a truck crashing, have a spills, fuel, chemicals, take a lot of time to clean it. You need to shut down the roads. It's a mess for everybody, because they need to clean it, everything. Using this material, we can save a lot of time, clean up everything, remove any kind of chemicals, any kind of hydrocarbonates, and so that's for us. It's excitement bringing this new technology to U.S. market.
Thank you for the demonstration. We're so happy that you're launching this product at BIC Alliance event.
Yeah, hope you enjoy it, and if you need any other information, please contact Technofink, technofink.com. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Shake hands? No.